Making your mark with English. Understanding, make one's mark. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, make one's mark. This expression is not just about literal marks on a paper. It's about leaving an indelible impact in life or a particular field. So, let's unravel this together. Make one's mark means to achieve success, recognition, or distinction in a particular area or field. This phrase often implies that the person has done something memorable or significant enough to be remembered by others. For example, if someone says, "She really made her mark in the world of science," it means she did something notable or influential in that field. This idiom has a literal origin. Think of artists signing their paintings or craftsmen marking their work. This was a way to show who created it. Over time, make one's mark evolved to mean leaving a metaphorical mark through one's actions or achievements, rather than a physical one. In contemporary English, this phrase is used in various contexts. It could be used for artists, scientists, businesspeople, or even students. For example, he made his mark in the business world with his innovative ideas. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of elegance to our speech or writing. Let's see some examples. 1. After years of hard work, she finally made her mark as a film director. 2. The new policy made its mark on the economy, leading to significant changes. 3. He is determined to make his mark in the field of renewable energy. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, make one's mark, is all about achieving something noteworthy and leaving a lasting impression. We hope this video helps you not only understand the phrase but also inspires you to make your mark in learning English. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.